Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So through this video I will let to show you the way how to use the object picker to move your object on Apple Note. Let's open the Apple Note right away. And here already it have the articles as well as some object of the articles. I got this 1, 2 and 3 objects on my articles. So I will let to move or pick one of these objects to move. So to do that, we just need to go click this side and go click this plus button. Go click one of the pen options down here, and I will let to suggest you to use this part. And now you just need to scratch the around or surround area of the object that you want to pick, and they will be giving you the options to pick, and then you just need to drag it into the specific part that you want to remove it. You can do for the rest. Let's say here you want to remove this big 100, so you just need to go click it and drag it into the specific part that you want. And after you're done pasting them, go click done. So here these stickers have two object on this, so there will be the shape and text. We can also move this both by do the same. Go click this pen, choose this part and just start scratching surrounding of this shape. And then we just need to move. So that is the way, guys, how to use the object picker to move the object on your Apple Note. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.